What is up, guys? Today I'm going to show you how you can get access to Axiom instantly and save 10% off your fees. Okay, this is super easy to do, so let's get started. So you're going to want to go to the first link in the description, and it should be an Axiom link, or if you type in axiom.trade/@Jake and hit enter, it'll take you right to Axiom, and then you're just going to hit sign up, and it should automatically have put in code Jake. If it hasn't already, just put in code JAKE. Or if you're signing it up on like a different device, you can also put JAKE and it'll instantly give you access. So you can either sign up with any of these three options. I personally use email. Okay, once you have your email put in, just hit sign up. Then you're going to get a verification code. So then quickly just put that in. And then you get to create a password. Make sure this is a super secure password so no one can get access to your account. Okay, then once you have your password in, just hit continue. Okay, then you'll get your recovery key and make sure you save it in a super secure location and do not give it to anybody. Okay, then once you've wrote it down, just hit continue. Okay, here you can deposit, buy, or convert currencies into Solana or whatever you want. Now you're officially into Axiom. To give you a quick overview of all the features, there's Discover, which shows you all the trending tokens right now. There's Pulse, which shows you all the different pump fund meme coins being created. You can see your wallet manager and live trades. Or down here, you can see your wallet tracker and see the same stuff. And there's also a tweet tracker. Then you can trade perpetuals here if you want. Or you can even loan out some of your tokens to earn a passive APY. Over here is your portfolio tab, which shows you all of your transactions and trades. And then here's the best part. You get Solana just for trading on Axiom. As you trade on Axiom, you can claim your SOL right here, and you get points for trading, which will be for a future airdrop. Okay, once again, there's an Axiom link in my bio. Just put in code JAKE, all lowercase, and it'll give you instant access and 10% off fees. Comment down below if you have any questions, and I'll see you in the next one.